So today we're going to be learning about how fourth graders would solve 400 minus 236. Students will start using algorithms when they enter the fourth grade, and we're going to be using a subtraction algorithm to solve this problem today. So we know that we can't subtract 6 from 0 and 3 from 0. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to come to the 4, make that a 3, but we need to remember that this 3 is a 300, not just a 3 as a ones place. So it's 300 right now minus 236. We still have a problem. We still can't subtract 6 from 0 or 3 from 0. So we're going to have to make this a 10. So it'll be 10 minus 3. But we actually still can't solve 0 minus or 6 minus 0. So we're going to have to come back over here and make this, this is a 100. Not a 100. Never mind. Sorry. So we're going to make this a 9. This is a 90 now, so it's technically a 90 minus 36 if we were just looking at the ones and tens place. So we can bring a 1 over here. So we're going to make this a 10. So now we have enough numbers and we can subtract. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So 164 is the answer. So another way that fourth graders, could solve this problem is if they were to take base 10 blocks to help them solve out this equation. So what I'm going to do is show you how you could do that. So the answer is 164, but we had 400 minus 236. So we need to take away 200 of these blue boxes. So these are the ones that we have taken away. Now we're left with 200. So what we need to do now is subtract 36 from the 200. So we need to take away 1, 2, 3, so that's 30, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we took 36 away from 200. So this is going to leave us with 164. All these are supposed to be yellow, but I can't figure out how to change them to yellow, or this one to get back in its place. But this is 160 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how you get 164 from 400 minus 236.